Day 14 of the magical practice, have a magic day. To see and experience the magical flow in your day, you have to feel gratitude for the day ahead in advance. To have a magical day, you have to think through your plans for the day, and you have to feel grateful for it before you have lived those plans. It's the easiest thing to do and it takes a few minutes. But when you start using the gratitude's magical power, you have attracted the law of attraction, which says that when you give thanks for the experiences going so well, you must receive the experiences going well. You don't believe this? That you can affect the day with your mood or with your saying or your thoughts? Then just think about this. Remember of a day when you had a bad mood. You woke up with a bad mood. And as you went through the day, everything went bad, one after the another, things were going wrong. At the end of the day, you thought, oh, what a bad day I had today. But it was not by accident, because you took that bad day into your morning and you slept with having some negative thoughts. This is the very reason that we daily use the magic rock at the end of the day to think about the good things, and as soon as we get up, we do the magical practice, count your blessings in the morning to have good feelings. To use this magical practice, we have to feel good about the event going well in advance. When you think of the event or the plan for the day, during the morning, the afternoon, the evening until bedtime, think of each event and say the magical words thank you as if you have experienced that event going well. You can use as many words as you can. Thank you for the brilliant, successful meeting. Thank you for the amazing call. Thank you for the best get together we had today. When you use this magical practice more and more ahead of time, all the difficulties and the problems during that day, it just wipes out. You feel the day going so smooth and there are less stressful day, and you feel very happy and joyful. When you keep on practicing this gratitude's magical power and you feel more grateful for it, you should end this by saying the words, and thank you for the great news coming to me today. When you say this, you will notice that you don't know from where great news is suddenly coming to you. They are pouring into your day, one after the another. As you keep on practicing this gratitude's magical power, the great news comes to your way, even if you can't imagine. So, please practice this magical practice of having a magical day. And start your day by count your blessings and end your day by the magical rock of thinking and just closing your fingers by thinking of the best thing that has happened today. For being a lovely audience, thank you, thank you, thank you.